Hey guys, it's Papa Elf. I'm going to show you how you can easily get a quote using our website. Let's start by choosing a product. In this case, I'm going to be using the Kordia Vacuum Cup. This is the product page for the Kordia Vacuum Cup. Here you can see the details such as the description, colors, dimensions, as well as the pricing breakdown. Let's go ahead and build out our quote. First, let's choose a product color. Next, I'm going to add any printing or decoration requirements. Based on this product, the decoration options include pad printing and laser engraving. In this example, I'm just going to type in laser engraving. Add the quantity that you need and press Add to Quote. This item will now appear on your cart. Our cart shows the items that we have requested a quote for. We can choose to continue to go shopping or go ahead and proceed to submit our quote. Here you can fill in your details and include any additional information that you require for your project. Make sure that you check the box and proceed to submit your quote. You'll get a confirmation for your request for quote. In addition to that, we are also going to send you a confirmation email. We will review your request and send you an email with a quote for your project. We will also send you information regarding stock levels, artwork requirements, and the next steps to get your project started. Again, this is Papa Elf. I look forward to working with you.